Good morning to you all and welcome to a rather gloomy London Heathrow this morning. I am very sorry about that. Many apologies also for the hold that we were in there, obviously due to air traffic control delays, but the good news is we are still 15 minutes ahead of schedule and the local time here is just coming up to 9:30 in the morning. Please do keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs. We will of course return any items we've stowed for you just as soon as we arrive at the terminal. Special mention to all the parents and guardians of the lovely children that we've had on board today. They've been so very well behaved. Very well done to you all. If you were given an infant life jacket at the beginning of the flight, please have this ready for collection by the cabin crew. Before you leave us this morning, just remember to check around your seat and in the seat pocket, just to ensure you've got everything with you. And when you're opening the overhead lockers, just be careful as items may have moved during landing. If you would like to donate any loose change or foreign currency to our passport to change appeal, there will be a collection bag available as you exit the aircraft. And any donation, no matter how small, of any currency will be very much appreciated by our charity partners. Next time you travel, please remember to download the Virgin Atlantic app from the App Store to help manage your booking and check-in online. Well, we do hope you've enjoyed your time on board with us today. We know you have a choice of airlines to fly with to London, and so on behalf of the captain, myself and all the crew, we thank you for choosing Virgin Atlantic. Goodbye for now, have a very safe onward journey, and we look forward to welcoming you back on board again soon. I'm afraid to say we're not having a lucky day today. We unfortunately have been placed on a remote stand, and what that does mean is that we will have steps and buses which will then take us all over to the terminal. So this may delay our disembarkation because we will...
Good morning everyone, welcome to London Heathrow. Please remain seated until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Cabin crew, thank you very much. Please prepare the doors for arrival.